Threading the Kenmore 1318. On the back side of this lid, there is a hook behind this lid, and then the thread actually goes through this passageway next to the lid, and that's how it gets across the top of the machine. And then it goes around the tensioner, behind that spring, up over the finger here, and then around our take-up arm, down the front of the machine. And the machine has two thread guides for when you are threading, or when you are stitching with two threads for double needle sewing, and you'd put one thread through each of them. And then there's a guide on the needle bar, and the machine threads from front to back. So I'll just see if I can get this through the needle threader. There we go. Such a nice long tail. There we go. Okay, let's wind a bobbin on the 1318 Kenmore. So the hand wheel has a clutch you just pull out, and the machine turns with the hand wheel, but the bobbin winder now is set. You put your thread on the pin. Make sure you hit the hole in the middle of the thread spool and not the side. There's the tension button over here on top of the cover for the fashion cams, and then the if I engage that, then it'll spin. Okay. It's a little bit backwards seeming to me there, because this finger here I think should curl the other way. But alright, let's it's not popping out, but that bobbin is pretty full, so we'll stop there.